Hi, everybody. Doing this outside real quick. We're getting more downpours up here in Clark County. The big story, it's now 3:17 at 2:57. The National Weather Service issued a tornado warning. This is for Central Clark County until 3:30 this afternoon. You can see the tornado warning red cone in Clark County. This is basically the Five Corners area, which is west of Battleground, but the storm has been moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Now, understand, as I show you, I posted this on my social media channels. Understand, this is radar rotation indicated, meaning there's no ground confirmation that there is a tornado, but operators at the Weather Service seeing rotation in these heavy rain cells, one of them anyway, up in Clark County. So the bulletin said at 2:56, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located over Five Corners near Vancouver downtown is incorrect. That's not correct. This is nearing Battleground area. Radar indicated rotation only. That means maybe we've got something, maybe we don't. Impact would be for damaging winds and maybe a funnel that touches down, flying debris. People should take cover, et cetera, et cetera. This is correct down here. The dangerous storm would be near Battleground, Meadow Glade, Five Corners, Mount Vista, Dollar Corner, Orchards, Hawkinson, all between now and 3:30. It's 3:19 when I'm putting this together for you. Here's the radar. And earlier I posted that I had a big downpour up here in Clark County. It's this line, you follow my cursor right in here. You see the red, intense rain. And now I don't think, there's not been any lightning detected. I'm looking at lightning right here. If we saw lightning, it would be the flashes. I also have not had any confirmation reports of hail. I just checked the National Weather Service again. At this point, I see no update, meaning fingers crossed, this was simply rotation aloft that was caught in radar. But certainly there's the risk for a tornado, and certainly there's the risk for some wind damage, for gusty winds. I have these heavy rain cells, in particular, this storm cell up in Central Clark County through 3:30 this afternoon. Again, there's the radar. There's another heavy rain cell up here in Kelso, Longview. Clearly, we're unstable. Clearly, these spotty cells apparently have the potential to produce some rotation or strong wind. So we need to be on guard for the coming couple of hours. I do want to, well, you can hear, I think, in the background, some of these heavy rain cells. Here's one on my Facebook page. You can see that I'm not going to play the audio right now, but you can see the heavy rain coming down. Before I let you go, again, it's 3:20 right now. Let me go down here. If you go to the National Weather Service page, weather.gov/PQR, again, weather.gov/PQR/, and you can see the map right there. If you click on the tornado warning, that gives you the bulletin. But if you go down here and you pull down the menu, you can see if there's anything else reported. So far, nothing. Tornado warning at 2:57. Nothing else has come true or has come through. So let's hope, fingers crossed, that this is simply radar indicating rotation aloft, which doesn't mean there's a tornado, but you've got to like the potential at this point of there being some heavy winds. You can certainly hear the heavy rain falling behind me. I'm just kind of flipping around right now. These are the surface observations at 3 o'clock. Portland, 68 degrees, south winds at 20. Aurora, south winds gusting to 31. I don't see anything above that, and I have not seen any reporting sites report gusts significantly higher than 30 miles per hour. Doesn't mean it's not happening right now. This is just the latest observations that I can find. I think, just stick with me because I'm going to continue monitoring this situation, and I want to see if I can get a reporting site near, well, you know what? We're probably not going to get lucky. I was going to try to get a reporting site near Battleground, but, reporting sites are very spotty in nature. Tornadoes, in fact, are very spotty in nature. Again, we're looking at some of the imagery here. I might be able to, let's pull up the radar from the Weather Service page. Pardon me, I'm just kind of stumbling and bumbling around here a little bit. Let's see, radar. We went the local radar, and let's see. Well, that's what we were just looking at. Again, according to this, they may have dropped well, there's the tornado cone. They may have dropped according to this, they may have dropped it, the warning. Let me go back and see if I see an update from them. Don't see anything. Let me see. Current version 257 is the latest version. Okay. Well, I don't want to call off the dogs because we just haven't heard at this point. Okay. Right here is the map, and it looks to me like the tornado warning has in fact been lifted. Let me refresh and make sure I've got the latest. Yeah, it looks to me like the tornado warning is no longer in place. It's a hazardous weather conditions. It says now until 3:30, but I've got to believe right now that maybe we escaped a bullet and we just need to be on the lookout for, you know, these downpours that have the potential of producing some gusty winds. I'll pop back in if we get confirmation something has happened. At this point, I do not have anything. I do believe, I'm just going to show you the 7-day. I do believe that once we get past sundown in the 7 o'clock hour, these scattered showers will start to get out of here. And absolutely, once we get probably past 5 o'clock, certainly at 7, the threat of these heavy downpours on the west side of our state will quickly erode. And then you can see we're in the clear the next several days with dry weather tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. Right now, not seeing any weather to worry about this coming Saturday, Sunday with developing showers. For now, this has been a severe weather update. Again, the National Weather Service at 2:56 p.m. this afternoon put out a tornado warning because their radar operator noticed what looked to be rotation in the wind field on radar. So it's a good idea. You see that, you're not sure, you pop up a tornado warning. As far as I know, we have not had any ground reports of anybody saying we have a funnel. I've not seen any reports of that, but we need to be on guard for these heavy downpours at least through the 5 o'clock hour this afternoon. For now, I'm meteorologist Rod Hill.